welcome back to the channel. It's your girl SJ with real beauty, real food, and real life. Today I'm going to do a really quick mini haul. I've got a couple of DIY projects coming up, and I can't get everything at the Dollar Tree. No matter how hard I want to or try, they just don't have every single thing I'm going to need. So I'm going to give you a quick insight of what JoAnn's is like, and then I'm going to run through it and show you what I got. So if you want to know what I got, maybe what a project I got coming up, keep watching this video. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button to subscribe. Or is that to like? Yeah, just hit the thumbs up button, please. Thanks. Inside of JoAnn's, you have the side with the fabric and then the side with the arts and crafts. Well, today we're going to skip the fabric and go arts and crafts. Not sure if you've ever been in JoAnn's before, but just to give you a little heads up knowledge, definitely this is an arts and crafts store. It's actually similar to Michael's and Hobby Lobby's. They all take coupons and they all take each other's coupons, which makes it even nicer. You see projects that you've probably worked on in the past and be like, okay, why didn't I just pay this amount? Because you didn't want to pay $50 when you could make it for $5. As we walk down each aisle, you can tell the store is pretty much well maintained, so you don't see a lot of boxes and things in the aisles. However, because of the holiday and the current seasons coming up, they tend to be a little bare shelved on some of the products that they normally keep well stock of. One of the items I am looking for is the letters. I thought about doing a DIY on a letter so that I could get prepared for my room. And here they are. These things are huge right here. And the sale is $1 off. But those letters are enormous. But then they have some smaller ones and they're $1.99. That's not bad at all. But in this size, I didn't see any numbers. I wanted to also get some numbers so that I could put new numbers on my house so you could see it. But I didn't see them here. And as you can see, those big letters are like $6.49, I believe, with $1 off. That's not bad. They do have a paint section here, but I do not recommend getting paint from here. It is $8.99, but if you're in a rush and you use a 40% off coupon, then it's okay. I still feel that getting the spray paints and things are best done out of the Walmart. Have not seen any of these things in the Dollar Tree, because if they did, they'd probably run out of them quick. They have a lot of different ideals here. So when I got to seeing that paint, I got to seeing some other things here. And one of the things that really caught my attention was that they had this little bronzer kit. And as you can see, it's a bronze color. And I guess you could take a mirror and you could change the color. You see that? The luster kit. That's interesting. They had it in the silver as well. I had to go back over to these wood letters because I thought, okay, I'm sure that they had some smaller ones, which they had actually another section of them, as you can see. And definitely, they are nice size. They feel pretty sturdy, too. So I think you can get some really good designs out of them. It's just that when you're in this store, you come up with all kinds of stuff. Now, as you can see, look at that. There's the welcome. There's the family. Oh, yeah. They're not $1, but it looks like they were $2.99 with the $1 off. So that still is a good buy. Now, of course, you could use your 40% off coupon and got it. Oh, no, when it's on sale, you can't. So you could have used the 20% off of your total purchase, and then it would have took off there. You see these letters? These are odd long. But I think I like those little scripted letters the best. After looking at all these ideas, I know exactly what I'm getting ready to do. So, now that you got a chance to see what JoAnn's is kind of like and some of the things that they got going on, I'm going to show you what I got. Alright, so, yeah, I got these letters. 148 letters in there, and you see they're silver. I paid $6.99 for these. You can do a lot of designs with these. One of the designs that you can do with this is you get your foam board, you lay your words out like love, life, live. Those will sound familiar. And then glue them on there, put them together real close. Cut around that border of the foam and booyah! You got that same love, life, live. But you can also do other stuff with this. This was $6.99. And in JoAnn's, they usually have coupons. Well, the coupon from Michael's is 40% off, and the one for Hobby Lobby is 40% off. All you got to do is show it to them. 40% off. 40% off $6.99. Yeah. All right. Next, in order to stick things to those letters, I'm going to need some Mod Podge. Now, this is like a tacky glue, and you put your items on there, and then it's supposed to dry clear. No, I haven't used it before, but I'm using it this time. 40% off the $6.99 price. Okay, so it ain't the Dollar Tree, but with the coupons that you can show, yeah, keep it on. And then on top of that, today JoAnn's had an additional 20% off of sale items or regular price items. So it's like, okay, whatever I can't use the 40% off on, I get the 20% off. And me, I use 2 transactions because I won't buy 40% off. All right, so what I needed next for my project that I got coming up, Valentine's Day is coming, so I got some glitter. They sell this whole thing of glitter for $2.99. That's a nice amount. It is 4 ounces. And then I was able to get the 20% off of that. So basically it made it like $3.99. All right. Now I also needed the major one. Booyah! Yes. That's that silver. Okay. Now this one was part of my second transaction. So I used a 40% off coupon off of $5.99. Yeah, I'm all about saving money. Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Everybody else does it. Why come we can't do it? Now, one of the other things I needed, remember it's Valentine's Day coming up and I got a project I'm working on. Booyah! Some hearts, right? They come in red and pink. Do you remember a haul I did that had red and pink something there? Yeah. Now these, they had them in little packs, but I would have to get more packs and I didn't want to do that. This was $9.99 and 40% off. Y'all. So that's how I got that one. Now, let's see. You can't do a DIY project without E6000. My tube is full. I noticed everybody noticed some tubes are kind of empty. Mine's is full when I start. What is like if I got any left when I'm over with? Yeah. $4.99. I used a 40% off coupon on that. So, you know, that's like $2 off. Yeah, that was on that second transaction. Last but not least, before I found the little letters, the silver letters, I came across this. And I don't know which way to put it on there, so I'm going to do it that way as well as this way. And it says dream. So with this project here, they didn't have the love, life, and live for like $1, like the Dollar Tree. These were $1 off though. So this was $2.99, so it was $1 off of that. It made it $1.99, and it was dream. So it was something different. What I'll do, you can take the Mod Podge, put it all over there, and you can sprinkle it in your favorite glitter. And boy, that's even better than just love, life, live, because you did it yourself. $1.99. So I got additional 20% off of that on that second order. And that was all that I got from JoAnn's. So please make sure you come back to the channel because I am going to be doing my DIY project and I'm going to show you how it turned out. So hopefully this was an exciting haul for you because there's definitely nice shopping there for me. Definitely a difference from the Dollar Tree. But look what I got. I mean, I'm so excited to use these. These right here, even though they were $6.99 with the 40% off. How many of you all like your numbers on your house and things like that? Yeah. So why not have the nice looking numbers? You can decorate them, put that glow in the dark glitter or something on them, or glow in dark tape. Yeah, be a great idea. So, yep, that was my haul for JoAnn's. This is your girl SJ with real beauty, real food, and this right here is real life. So please make sure you come back to the channel, subscribe, like, comment below, and say hey. Hey. Okay. This is your girl SJ with real beauty, real food, and JoAnn's. This is going to be my real life because I'm going to be designing. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I can't wait. Valentine's Day. Let's get it going. Yeah. You know what? My glasses look like sunglasses, don't they? But how many of y'all see that little bifocal line down there? Okay. So, yeah, they not sunglasses. But they look like it, don't they? But now, if you're looking thoroughly, yeah, you see the bifocal line. You can't miss it! Oh, yeah, I probably shouldn't be recording this. Blooper! All right, I guess I better get started. Get these designs done.